Sky was dark, the stars were bright, a perfect time for Halloween night. Me and Jay in spooky gear set out with giggles and joyful cheer. Mia's cape flowed with every stride, bat wings bouncing side to side. Jay's bones glowed in a neon hue, they were the cutest monster crew. They walked down streets lit orange and gold, their little hands not feeling cold. Each house was glowing with lights and fun, pumpkins smiling one by one. Knock, 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 they rang the bell. Trick or treat, they chimed so well. A friendly ghost gave out some treats, dropping lollies and chocolate sweets. Next house had a witch on a chair, cackling softly in the cool night air. She handed candy with a grin so wide, such spooky costume she kindly cried. At every house their bags grew wide, with jelly beans and treats inside. Lollipops, gum, a gummy worm or two, wrapped in colors red, green and blue. They said thank you with every treat, skipping off on their happy feet. No tricks here, just sugary fun, under the moon and setting sun. At the last house with lights aglow, a big surprise, a candy show. Buckets poured with a cheerful boo, and Mia and Jay said thank you. They skipped back home with tired toes, sticky fingers and icing on their nose. With dreams of pumpkins, ghosts and play, what a perfect Halloween.